I'm Kara. I'm a founder and I give Numbers a 5. For more reviews like this, see below. Before Numbers, I really didn't have any organization. I was just writing things on pieces of paper, taking notes in different places, and was really unorganized. Since I started using Numbers, I've been able to be way more efficient, get a lot more done, and stay completely organized. I chose Numbers because it was very easy to use. I have access to it on all my devices, which makes it a lot more convenient. I can access it on my phone, my computer, my iPad, so I can work wherever I'm at, and it saves a lot of time for me. Numbers is very easy to use. I thought the learning curve was pretty easy. On a scale 1 to 5, I would say it was a 1. A lot of people use it, so I was able to share it pretty easily and get my systems up and running. I would definitely recommend getting Numbers. It's easy to use, it's accessible everywhere, helps you stay organized. There's no reason not to use it.